Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called PrimeTube, which is the world's first and only app to create and host live TV channels and drive targeted traffic in just 3 clicks with no prior tech or marketing skills. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.